Okay, so for the second scenario, which is would vaccinating the children with MMR cause autism? I will go to PubMed. Okay, and then I click on clinical queries. First, I have to say the P in PICO is children, the I is the MMR vaccine. The C, we can consider that there is no comparator, or the comparison is with no vaccination. So we're comparing the vaccine to not being vaccinated, and the outcome O is autism. So this is an etiology question. So here uh, I will choose under the filter etiology. And for now, I will keep it broad to increase, which is compared to maximize sensitivity, to increase the number of results as a first step. So I will start by writing MMR vaccine autism, with or without the and between them, because this is PubMed and we have an automatic and. So I search and I click on see all results. Of course, since this is PubMed, I have to go to advanced and check if they were mapped to the right meshes. So MMR was mapped to its right mesh, which is the mumps, measles, rubella vaccine, and autistic disorder was mapped to the right mesh, which is the mesh. And in PubMed, it gets automatically ordered with the keyword search. So for now, I won't change this. I will go to the results, and I will add a filter, since we are asking if vaccination is in children specifically. So I will go to age, and I will add children, but I will also add adolescents, because sometimes the diagnosis is done a bit. There is a delay in diagnosis in some cases. So I will add these two, and then I have to click them in order to apply the filters. Okay, so we got 68 results. This is a bit much for EBM questions. What I can do to limit my search is, first of all, I can go back and click narrow to narrow instead of broad, or I can write here narrow. So for example, I am already at 21 results. I can also go to advanced and remove all the keywords in the keyword search, and only add the meshes. So I can take this. So I took the first mesh, I wrote and, I took the second mesh, which is autistic disorder, and I wrote it, and then I add everything else. So now I have only 14 results, which is a very good number of articles for EBM searches. Something else that I could do is to go back and go to each meshes and unexplode them, because in PubMed they are automatically exploded, but I think 14 is a good number for efficient search. Thank you.